Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This week I just did a little Shrike sketch. It's my avian chameleon that I won a little while ago. I really love them. I need to draw them more often. I've had them for 7 months. That's crazy. You know, because Toy House will tell you how old a character is, and unless you created the character like using Toy House, I guess it's not really accurate for everyone. But it is for Shrike, so. It's neat. I don't know, it feels like I've had them a lot longer than that, but a random fact, I guess. They've been in existence for 7 months. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.